So here we are, we have just completed spirit surgery in Nottingham. Robin Hood country, the Sherwood of Forest and all that. I'm just asking some of the ladies what they thought. Who wants to kick us off? Debbie, what about you?
Wonderful. Enlightening. Giggle, which is surprising.
It was, wasn't it? Eh?
Yeah. Laughter is the key.
Yeah, brilliant. Cool. Jane, what about you?
Relaxing, really good people, really nice energy. It was really fabulous.
Yeah, Trina?
I just found it so easy, which surprised me because I've done Reiki, but it's different to Reiki, and to just allow and then come through and you can actually feel it. It's amazing.
And creeping up behind we have Jill.
It was amazing, absolutely fantastic. Book it now.
Awesome. Thank you, Jill.
Oh, really amazing to be with like-minded people and just feel really enabled and supported. And lots of enlightening moments. Thank you very much.
Wendy, how was it for you?
Oh, just amazing. The energies have been absolutely incredible. All the spirits that come through, and the women. I mean, you just can't buy this kind of experience really. So you've just got to live it, and it's just amazing. Just please come and book because it's the best thing we've ever done.
Thank you, and thank you to all of you guys.
Amazing, absolutely elevated energy, elevated emotion, complete an awareness of much more grounded, much more centered, and much more aware. Amazing, absolutely incredible.
So, if you'd like to learn how to heal like you see me doing the videos, why not join me for a 2-day workshop in the UK or New Zealand? More details down below.